kia tao cái này. Wow.
Ship tahu selalu sih rumah, kenapa? Banyak tahu sih lah. Ha,
Wait.
Rất à? Nó tao rất bụng mì.
Kaino, manidi. Cái này thì
Be giving advice in the fashion industry, wearing whatever makes you comfortable, enjoying yourself, experimenting, having fun. So I think with most things in life, don't be afraid to try something new, take that first step, take that leap, and just have fun. And there's nothing better than being yourself. That's it. Any more questions? Thank you.
durante a hockey também. What is your hockey or something?
Thank you very much. Should I be attracted to all
Your opinions of Northeast regions as a destination for glamour and beauty.
I think it's absolutely fantastic. I've been supporting the Miss India title as a director for the last 7 or 8 years. And every time I see, all the beautiful girls who come out, I mean, the place is beautiful, the people are beautiful. When will we ever get a chance to go there? And this time I feel like, there's a part of me that actually put it out in the universe to have the opportunity to actually come this far and come with so much grandeur that it feels fantastic, because I think the blend is amazing. And I look forward to spending time here. I have spent time in the past in the Northeast, and I really hope that what we do in the Northeast also takes away a bit of the crown or the entire crown. I'm really rooting for lots of people tonight.
Yeah, you've been mentioned with this
In the past, and I know that they will continue to do well in the future. So there's no taking away from that. They're bright, they're beautiful, they're intelligent, they're talented, and oh my God, they're really, really talented. And in the most wonderful way, I feel like they're so. For me, I've always, found them extremely striking, and I know the crowd this time. I know a bunch of girls have come this time, and we've done the pre-judging, we've done the personal interview round, and I promise you, they're as smart as they're beautiful, and they're as beautiful as they're bright. So there's no stopping.
You look great.
Hi.
Really excited to be here in Manipur, Nepal, and for Miss India 2023. Really looking forward to the event. Really looking forward to who will win. Who will win it, and a bit late. I have to go inside. So thank you for being here, and thank you for having me.
Okay, one last question. For the people, for the Manipuri folks who are not here, just give us a message.
I love you guys a lot. Thank you so much for all the love. I heard that a lot of my friends are really
Thank you.
Thank you, bye.